use the tool which is based on Sanskrit to text speech recognition. Sanskrit to text speech recognition. Today we will try to learn it. So first of all, what we do, the browser of that particular website, and we can use our own paragraph. We'll just copy from Notepad or our Word file, and I'm pasting here, and it will, now we can choose either it will be normal pronunciation or it will be faster pronunciation. So I am just putting faster pronunciation, and just I am pressing the button start. What it does, just it is splitting the paragraph into the sentences by identifying the full stop sign, and after that we see just it is just converting in technical form, and when we press the key play, then it will start to just recognizing the Sanskrit text.
Erasmin upavane sthita vrksha paraspara vartalapa kurvata asa ya manushya tesham paniphala nitroka itva nayati Paratu kritanyataya eka abhishadanta prati naivaka hayati.
The same way, if we wish to select one by one line by line, then we can choose this option line by line, otherwise it will be continuous. So if we are pressing for line by line, if we are opting line by line, then it will be like this one. It will be current line, then it will be automatically the next line, like this one. So this is play the current line.
Tesham imam kritaknata dhik.
Next line.
Vrkshana samipata nisaraka patika tesham.
If you are choosing normal, then it will be like this.
Kinchitara sthitva chata apravitasmin bhava krita.
In this way, you can find how to use speech recognition for Sanskrit texts. Okay.